Hi, it's Nadia. Today we are making ginger-scallion roast chicken with fresh avocado cucumber salad, roast king oyster mushrooms, and red bean rice. Let's see the chicken ingredients first. 2 chicken breasts, 4 slices of ginger, 4 stems of scallion, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a quarter teaspoon of Himalayan salt, and 2 stems of king oyster mushrooms. Then make the marinade. Have scallion, ginger, salt, and oil processed into a fine texture. Then the marinade is ready. I have 2 slightly different ways to make this chicken. One is marinate overnight and bake later. It's good for meal prep. The other is to have chicken seared a little bit, covered with marinade, and bake directly. This way keep the chicken very juicy and reduce the time in oven. I also chop some king oyster mushrooms to go with the chicken. Then make some salad when chicken is baking. I prepare 1 avocado, 1 cucumber, a quarter of onion, a tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of Himalayan salt, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix them all together. With cucumber, this salad is amazingly fresh. Then everything is done. Voila, that's it. Scallion and ginger are 2 of my favorite and most frequent used seasoning. It goes so well with any protein ingredient. Add some yogurt, also brings more flavor. Wish you enjoy cooking more often at home. Life is beautiful. You are cherished and blessed. Thank you for your watching and considering to subscribe. I will see you next time. Take care.